So YouTube handles. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through what the YouTube handles are, how they're used, what to think about when setting yours up, and how to set yours up. Okay, so essentially YouTube has introduced the new thing called handles, and you can find your handle underneath the name of your channel. So as you can see here, there's the channel name, Video Creators Club, and the handle is at Video Creators Club. Okay, so essentially you find them under there. Now basically what the YouTube handle does is it makes it easier for people to find our channel. Okay, and I'll show you that in a second. But at the end of the day, by default, YouTube will choose the name of your channel. And sometimes it might just have the name of your channel and then numbers if your channel is the same as somebody else's. Okay, so in essence, you really want to think about your YouTube handle. Okay, so for example, Natalie is a member of our club, and we looked at her handle, and basically what we thought was, well, you need to change that because by default YouTube chose Natalie King Coaching. So her handle was at Natalie King Coaching, but what does she coach? Well, she coaches confidence. So therefore it makes more sense that she puts at Confidence Coach. Now you'll notice that there's an underscore there. Well, basically you can use underscores and dashes in your handle name. So if, for example, Confidence Coach probably was already taken, so she was able to put an underscore, still have Confidence Coach. Remember, when we're doing digital marketing, we're actually talking to two elements. We're talking to the machine and we're talking to people. Now, most importantly, we're talking to people. But the machine still needs to know what it is that we're doing. Okay, and by changing your handle so that basically it says what we do in the tin, yeah, then essentially the machine will understand more about what our channel is about. Okay, the simple thing with YouTube handles is keep them short, keep them sensible, keep them easy to understand. People have got to remember them to be able to put them into your into YouTube, and basically the machine needs to know what you do. Okay, so how do you change them? What we do is we go to YouTube Studio, customization, and then basic info. And as you can see, the handle area is here. Okay, and we can actually then go in and change and edit that. All right. Another way of doing it is go to youtube.com/handle. Okay, and then basically what you'll see is it says your handle is reserved and you can change it there. Okay, so what do handles do? Well, the first thing I said is it makes it easier for people to find our channels. So let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, if I go back to here and look at my channel address up here, as you can see, that is not very memorable for people. However, if they put at Video Creators Club at the end of the youtube.com/ press return, then as you will see, it literally takes me to my channel. Okay, another thing that it does is that we can use it in our community element. Okay, now basically YouTube have been focusing on this community element quite a lot. They've been doing a lot of development to it and stuff like that. So in essence, you should start using your community because Google owns YouTube, and YouTube is Google's only social media platform. Think about it. So they're pushing this community thing where basically you can have images, polls, you can do blogs, you can post just like any other social media platform, and you can also mention other people using their handle. So we got there, fantastic video from Natalie at Confidence Coach. We got another great video from Brett at Your Business World. And when you click it, it takes you to their channel. So in essence, we really need to be starting to use these things. You need to think about your handle. You need to think about what you're doing, what you do, more than what your title is, and you need to change it accordingly, okay? And then you need to start using your YouTube handle on YouTube and using other people's as well, okay? So that's it for handles. So basically, if you've got any questions about using video in your business, creating it, then feel free to book a one-to-one with me. I'd love to help you. You might want to consider our Video Creators Club. Just visit our website and it's the tab Video Creators Club. And the club is basically there to offer ongoing support, a library of how to use video, a monthly creators meeting, and courses that will teach you how to create video content for yourself, okay? So that's it. All right. Cheers then. Bye-bye.